Table of 17. Hello, little stars. Today we will learn the table of 17 in a very easy way. Just add 17 to the previous answer and you will get the next answer. 17 times 1 is 17. 17 times 2 is 34. Great! You're learning well. 17 times 3 is 51. 17 times 4 is 68. Amazing! Keep it up. 17 times 5 is 85. 17 times 6 is 102. Excellent. 17 times 7 is 119. 17 times 8 is 136. Fantastic. 17 times 9 is 153. 17 times 10 is 170. Superb.
I will take on.